Picture ata eh. Video ata to eh.
Video?
Oo, video.
Hi guys! We're the Migs and Milo Show. So, Migs,
Iniisip si Kalbo.
we're here at Emerald Avenue of Vegas, and we're here to talk about something I don't know.
Something you
So,
don't...
you lost your mind? Yeah. So, we're here at the Emerald in front of Strata 101. 100. Okay, 100.
Paano ba mag-upload ng ano, ng video sa ano?
Naku, i-host mo muna yan. No upload video lang. It should be...
Yeah! Zombie!
Buhay ang mga zombie. Siyempre dapat ko rin.
Ayoko! Ayoko! Ano ba?
So, Miss May, so how's the first EB at PUP Lounge?
Masaya.
No, we can understand masaya. What is masaya?
Ito na masasabi ko.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Ano ba?
What's that? We can see that. Can you show it again?
Nakakadami na kayo eh.
We're so...
Kape!
So kampay daw. Kampay guys! Woo!
Turo nyo lang sa akin kung paano mag-upload ng video. Para ma-upload ko yan.
Okay, Taya, what can you say about something?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not in the mood.
Oh.
Walang siya mood.
Wala siya mood.
Walang siya mood. I thought you'll say again, amigo.
No, I'm over that.
Well, I thought it was, but it wasn't. So, but it was fun.
What a wonderful...
But it was, but it wasn't.
Yeah. So, how about that girl so hot?
The girl in what you call that?
Pajama, the girl in pajama.
The girl in
in
nursery
pajama.
uniform.
Ayun! Nursery uniform!
So, how's your flower today?
What's this flower for? What's this flower for?
How's your flower and nuts?
How's your flower? Flower and nuts!
And the nuts. What's the nuts? Okay. So, how can you say it?
Ano?
Ganyan talaga dapat. So, Michelle,
Yeah? How's Kalbo?
how's the bald one?
The bald one.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So, you again, Miss May.
Ano na naman? Ako na naman. Daw pala mag-English. Natense ako.
You're so tense.
Hindi
Why?
mo masyado.
We're so
Okay.
we're so tenseful so that you can tense too.
Hindi ako. Ano ko eh.
Camera shy.
Camera shy ako.
Oh, camera shy. So we should promote you more.
Tama na! Stop! Stop.
Okay, stop daw. Bye-bye yan.
Okay. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Siyempre gusto ko last na mukha ito eh.
Yung ngiti.
Sige. Ngiti. Habang natatapos, nagzo-zoom.